I got some Rauchfleisch here. It's imported from Germany. Adler Schwarzwald. Schwarzwald means black forest. Dry cured smoked ham, naturally smoked with fir wood, sliced and packaged in USA. Keep refrigerated. I don't know how you say to this, Maestri. Charcuterie masters. Charcuterie masters. Looks good, doesn't it? A German favorite. All sliced. Smells so nice, smoked. Rauchfleisch. Black Forest Schinken. Let me show you the nutrition facts. You would call it a dry cured smoked ham here in America. Let me show you the ingredients first. Pork, iodized table salt and potassium iodate, spices, dextrose, preservatives, sodium nitrate, and potassium nitrate. Fir tree smoke. Let me show you, produced by Maestri di Italia. Schwarzwald. Black Forest is Schwarzwald, the Black Forest. Naturally smoked with fir wood. Have some. We got this from Igourmet. The nutrition facts: 3 servings per container. Serving size 2 slices, 28 grams. Amount per serving, calories 70. Total fat 4 gram. Saturated fat 1.5 gram. Trans fat 0 gram. Cholesterol 25 milligram. Sodium 560 milligram. Total carbohydrate 0 gram. Dietary fiber 0 gram. Total sugars 0 gram. Includes 0 gram added sugars and protein 7 gram. Thank you for watching another food review from me today. Goodbye. Till next time. Enjoy. Yay.